Right guys, we're here today at ANZIO Army Camp. This is T420 Tom Explores. Go and check him out, he's got some awesome stuff on his channel. And there's some other guys with us, I'll get them to say their names and...
Just SOT crew.
Yeah, SOT crew, yeah. Yeah, just check them guys out anyway. I'll put the links in at bottom for their Instagrams and stuff like that. And I'll see you at the end of the video. Yeah guys, when we've got on this site, we just found this actually burnt out, but we've looked at it. It's got a ramp on the back and it's got handles and all that lot inside. We think it's an ambulance. Well, look at that, that's off the back door. We think it's actually an ambulance, and someone's probably whipped it and brought it here and set it on fire, and this is what's left. Cool. It's just a shame, innit? And this is, we believe it used to be used for AIRSOFT, because that's where all these little white balls are all over the place. Yeah, so let's have a look around here, guys. See these bales here, I don't think these bales should be here guys, because this is actually household waste and it's supposed to go to a, well, it's supposed to go not to landfill, but it's supposed to go to the power stations, what feeds the power stations, but yeah, it's, so I'm not sure if this lot should be here, but it is, and it's sat all the way around. There's Tom doing his intro. Yeah, they've had the right time with these balls, haven't they? They've had a right time with these little balls, haven't they? Yeah, yeah. So this were an actual... What? Is it? Yeah, I've never done it.
That paintballing as well, that's amazing.
Oh, I've done paintballing, but I've never done that. Does it hurt when it hits you?
It does if it hits you on the basket.
Oh, okay.
Like little plastic balls, aren't they?
Yeah, they are, yeah. Yeah. I'll have to give it a go then, one day. I can't run anymore because I'm too fat. I'd just get pummeled with them all, wouldn't I? You know what I mean? Yeah, that's it, yeah. Yeah.
Call of Duty.
That's it. I can't play that game now either.
No, I can't. Sold my console 2 years ago.
Did you?
There we go.
Nice. Hello, buddy.
Hello.
This must have been like the mess. Yeah, mess all over.
These doors are mental.
Yeah, they are, yeah.
Huge.
They're still folding as well, aren't
Yeah,
they?
I bet they do, yeah.
Tragic.
There's-
Take that. I'll have that. You know which way I got in?
Which way?
Up there.
Did you?
Bars, isn't it?
Yeah. Put this somewhere in a minute. Let me get
Official, guys, is official.
official, yeah. Officially digitally remastered.
Yeah.
Put it on the outside. Oh, that looks cool, doesn't it?
Yorkshire approved
Yeah.
on one of these doors.
Yeah, I'm going to put it on that one there, yeah. That's cool, is that, isn't it? That picture.
Yeah.
That writing, should I say. Yeah, it's a cool little place, this. Oh, have you? I can't. I mean, I don't know how much money they spend on these little balls, but.
I know, you'd think someone would be sweeping them back up again, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah, they're plastic.
And they're
Yeah,
not thinking,
but it's
they're
like,
never gonna rot
does
away,
that hurt
are
that
they?
then?
Don't know. That
Oh, it's quite. There's quite some in
like
it.
plastic in it. BBs.
Considering we're supposed to be saving the planet, though, they aren't going.
Oh no, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, these scattered everywhere. Well,
But I don't
know.
think they've got problems when you look at all that, have
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
No.
I was just going to say that. Hold it, ain't that?
I can't believe they played BB do what AIRSOFT or whatever it is when all this rubbish is here though.
They still
It's.
do it. It's
Oh, this.
still going.
Oh, how do they get in?
Yeah, you know the air hangar what we drove past first, and
Oh,
he pulls
okay.
into it. That's the main base. That's where they start. There's all posters up when you
It's
get down
it's a good
there.
job that we don't come when they're playing then, isn't it?
Yeah.
They might be still playing. They might get ambushed.
Last time we went, there was a sack full of rubbish, and I was looking. There was like fresh food and stuff in there.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah.
Like that's the handle and that's the blades.
Wow. I can't believe because the buildings are unsafe.
Yeah, they're not safe.
I can't believe that they let people play in here.
And you come across some rooms where all the stuff has been piled in.
Yeah.
There's a piece of wood stuck.
No, might have been like might another dining room, because that looks like a kitchen there. Wow. The bar area here. Look like where they've just pummeled it with all them. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, look what BBs have gone on back of there, and it's just absolutely shattered them, hasn't it? Just shattered them. They've just all like. So if it's splitting them in half when it's hitting that, that's gonna hurt, isn't it? Yeah.
So what?
Hello, mate.
Alright.
Hello.
Drop torch, mate.
Isn't it?
Waterproof though.
In the bar.
2 meters.
2 meters, you're alright then, wouldn't you? It dropped 1.5 meters though to the floor. Oh, this open bit here.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to
Yeah, yeah.
It's hard saying. I suppose it would have been like a garden, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would at one point, yeah. They'd have probably sat out here, wouldn't they?
Yeah, but they've all got them, they're all the same layout now.
Oh,
All the
are they?
buildings.
Yeah, it is cool,
Some
huh?
of them have got the wardrobes upstairs, like built in.
Oh, yeah.
Cupboards.
This looks like showers, doesn't it?
But these are in better nick than them other buildings. It's
Oh, are they?
using that one.
Oh, okay. Oh, so, yeah, I see what you mean now. Yeah, so this is for 4 men, isn't it, this? Yeah, the brick wardrobes, or breeze block wardrobes, guys. Yeah. When did this place shut, do you know? Yeah. Google extraordinaire. Yeah, they're all the same, aren't they?
It's just that's when it closed.
Yeah, when it closed, she's gonna Google it.
Not 2006.
Oh wow.
Danny talking, can you hear that in his video? Hey? Can you hear that in his video?
Are they just bought? Are they doors or are they? I think they blocked it, haven't they?
You can go up, I think, yeah.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, yeah.
What's that? A smoke grenade?
Flashbang, that is.
Oh, look at that. Flashbang, hardcore.
Why is the doors?
I think it's so people don't fall off.
Yeah, it's safety and
Safety, I can think of other things like slates hanging off roof.
That's not very safety.
It's for thingy when they're having the battles.
Yeah,
There's different points like this would be a point to watch when they're coming upstairs.
yeah.
Like,
Where are you?
Ben and all that, innit?
hey?
It's what?
Where the beds would have been.
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's sort of quarters.
Yeah, they'd have had four men in here, wouldn't they?
Yeah, yeah.
There's
Four
a bed
cupboards.
there, a bed there, a bed there, a bed there. And 3 beds there. All tipped in toes to toes. Oh yes, son.
I'm in the closet.
Cool.
Where do you call it?
Well, it's not been red like that. And then there's like tin foil in there on the walls. See? Things been red, blue.
Close the cap.
Been red, tiny blue.
What?
We're thinking there's something up there because that's been red. There's like tin foil or something in there.
What if it's just tiny ones?
Oh, grow up there. Grow up.
It might just be insulation.
Yeah, so I think like a copper tank like in or something.
Yeah, it does.
Where are you? I'm in the roof.
I'm in the wall.
I'm in the entry.
Got a lot of editing to do.
It's what I know. Yeah.
A lot of bleeping out as well.
A lot of music on there as well.
Takes
Look,
over
we're on
in
the other
there.
side now. We were just
Big
down
time.
there, weren't we, when we started?
Oh, is it? Oh, well,
Must be
okay.
like a courtyard or something.
Yeah. It's like it's oh look, exactly the same, isn't it? It's another showers.
Oh my god, my foot's still wet.
There's no lock there.
Here you go. So it says camp was used. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Camp was used by the US Army in 1943 to house troops. Then it
Oh,
was taken
sorry,
over in 1945 to house Polish troops until 1963, and they were moved to a different site. And then in 1980, the MOD took over the site, and it was used as a training camp for regular and territorial army troops and scouts and cadets. And then it closed in 2004. It was supposed to be a care home, and nothing's been done to it since.
Wow. A care home.
This,
It is a big care home, is that, isn't it?
I can kind of see
I
it.
can imagine this was the car room, this part
If
then.
anybody knows what that's for, or what's it regarding, put it in the comments.
Never got that far.
Yeah, yeah.
I can see it being a care room.
Yeah, it's all exactly the same, isn't it? Each building's all.
Isn't
Yeah, these must have been posh ones.
There was like 5 vortex. There's like, right now this is a room. It's done like one person.
Yeah, we'll just have one person, yeah.
Like, I think it would be like someone that worked here.
Do you think?
Like someone.
Well, it's an army man, isn't it, that'll have been in here.
Yeah. Single room.
Yeah.
A waste town.
Yeah, I bet they used to shoot from up there, didn't they?
No, I don't think this is my room.
Go see if there's loads of holes in the wall.
Yeah. Right, guys, we think this is the old firing range. We think they must have laid down in that hut there and shot whatever were in there. Let's have a look, see what this sign says on the wall here. What's it say? Oh yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like these switched round. These turned round, you know, for baddies and that.
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean.
They'll have turned round.
Like,
Can we get up to that then?
Bullets on the floor with you, or shells.
Yeah, they'll be under grass, won't they, I think?
what was that?
Old wooden steps there.
So I think we could find a gun now.
Yeah, a real live one.
You should come here with a metal detector, shouldn't you?
Yeah.
Could you?
You can, you're on the live round corner.
I don't. I'd like a 15 miles from it.
If you bring a metal detector, you have to share the landowner whatever you find.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, guys, so this must have been like the assault course that they used to do. Let's go and have a look. Yeah, guys, so they'll have started over there, swung over the dip, up that side, across planks on the top, down a rope, over these logs here, over these logs. Oh, look how deep they are. Wow. So they've gone over logs, they've done the monkey bars, and then that'd have been the big cargo net at the end. Wow. Right, guys, that's it from this explore at this M.O.D place. What's it called again?
ANZIO.
M.O.D army base called ANZIO. It's a camp, army camp. We've got T420 Tom explores. Go check him out. Check all the other guys out. I'll put the links in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my social media and all that lot. And I'll see you on the next video.